This is Ron Varga with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson store. Today we've got a 2025 Peterbilt 589, legendary blue. Got the stainless drop visor on it, dual-sided cab chrome exhaust, stainless cab rocker panels, 120-gallon left-hand fuel tank. This one's spec'd a little bit heavier. It's a 14.6 steer axle with 46,000 pound rears, air track rear suspension, 373 gears, has locking differentials, the heavy walled diff housing, air disc brakes all the way around, 11R 24/5 tires on Peterbilt polished aluminum wheels. The right-hand tank is 130 gallon capacity, and it is split for 85 gallons of fuel and 50 gallons of hydraulic oil. Your 4 roof-mounted air horns, big Texas-style bumper. Let's take a peek under the hood. Under here we've got our 565 horse, 1850 torque Cummins X15 engine. Battery jump start studs underneath. It's got the 18-speed Endurant XD HD Pro automated transmission, platinum interior, leather air ride seats, Cobra CB radio up there, extra gauges, AM FM Sirius satellite Bluetooth radio, pull-out workstation over here on the passenger side, the dash. A 72-inch sleeper, rear cab window, flat screen TV mount, it's a wardrobe cabinet, there's a storage cabinet down here. Back to the other side, you got your refrigerator, so if you think this truck will work for you, or if you'd like me to spec one that will, give me a call, 706-372-4698. I look forward to hearing from you.